When people meet with me for the first time, they're usually thinking that they need to file bankruptcy. That's not necessarily the right answer for everybody. There's other options than filing bankruptcy. They might be able to work out some debt without ever filing bankruptcy at all. My goal with the client is to have them get the right answer for them in their circumstance. And sometimes that may be bankruptcy, and other times it may be working out debt. Sometimes it may be a simple phone call that resolves a very horrendous problem and makes everything go away. It's very client specific as to what needs to actually happen, and that's my goal when I first meet with somebody, is to find out where they really need to go. Because for them, my first statement to them always is, where do you see yourself being in 5 years? Where do you want to be? Because if their answer is, I'd like to be pushing a cart at Walmart, that's a very different strategy than I want to have a multi-million-dollar business up and running in 5 years. So what their ultimate goal is in 5 years controls what they do with their today. And until they find out in their own mind where they want to be in the future, they can't really make good decisions for themselves today. So my goal, and that's why people are happy when they leave, is they have some perspective of where they want to be going in the future and what they want to be doing with their life today. So the bankruptcy process, or the workout process, or the restructuring process, whatever form it takes for a specific client, the ultimate goal is having the relationship between that client and that creditor become a positive thing going forward. And so the client, if it's in bankruptcy, is going to know that they're done with their bankruptcy when they get their discharge. That's the ultimate goal of any sort of bankruptcy. If it's a workout, the goal is going to be structuring some kind of a deal with that creditor so that they're repaying them in some fashion over some period of time. If it's just a phone call and a deal that's quickly executed, and the client knows immediately that it's done because they've made the payment and they're done. So any form that's taking, the client's going to know when they're kind of at the finish line, because their goal will have been achieved at that point.